guys, this is me Aris with my two parrots Jojo and Leesha. I'll be gloving. At least that's what I say. I'm pretty young. A young age before under 12. So I wear protection. I'm not like putting them on my finger. By the way, the parrot's nails are pretty sharp. First, I just put this towel. You can use any bathroom towel and turn it into the parrot towel. And then I get this kitchen glove, turn it into a parrot glove. So let's add Leesha and Jojo. I add Leesha first, then Jojo. Because Leesha is always resting on my shoulder, while Jojo is just on my hand. As you can see over here. Alright, now, you know a few facts about him, but I want to tell you more. You know chubby Jojo? Jojo is a chubby boy because he likes to eat a lot. And he's pretty brave, as well as Leesha. Leesha is the quiet one. She's shy, but she's a good girl. Except when she bites. Yeah, but Leesha's here. Guys, say hi to the camera. Hello. Alright, these are my parrots. They're Alexandrian parrots. You know, I adopted them some time ago. Jojo, no, Jojo. No, you're just trying to get. Don't turn my back, guys. Uh-oh. Sometimes in the glove, they fight. So let's leave them, okay? Well, that's all for today. I'm putting them back. You should know how to glove as well. And if you're young, then you should use these protection suits. Well, that's it for today. Bye-bye.